Good morning, class. How are you doing, all of you? I hope you are understanding what has been taught in the previous classes. Today, in continuation with the last class, we studied about angles and how to name angles and how to measure angle. Now, in continuation, we are today going to do the exercises. Now, measurement of an angle is done in degrees. This you have to remember, and its symbol is like this. So, suppose you measure angle, so you would write that 20 degree. The measure of angle is 20 degree. So like this, degree is like you say 100 rupees, 10 rupees. Similarly, angles are measured in degrees. So besides this, now we are going to start with the exercises of this topic. Now first question is, can you find the angles in the given pictures? Draw the rays forming any one of the angles and name the vertex of the angle. So first picture is of bicycle, and they have marked already the three rays they have marked and named it. So first naming, now naming I have told you in the previous class also. So this would be like a practice questions for you. Now the angles that they have drawn is like this. So let's mark same as they have marked. So this is the angle that has been drawn. Now naming of an angle. So yesterday we understood that how to measure an angle. So you draw a ray and then you turn this ray in any amount, and the point where it reaches becomes an angle. So marking an angle is done with this arc. So let's mark here also. They have asked any one of the angles and name the vertex of the angle. So we take any one of the angle. Now you can say that this ray AD is rotated and reaches ray BD. This is one ray AD which is rotated and reaches the second ray BD. So this is like ray 1 and this is ray 2. So now we name the angle. Would be starting from the ray side. First end point is AD. So A, and then comes the vertex D. So D is the vertex, and then the ray is DB, which is B. So this is the first angle that I have marked and named it. Symbol for angle is angle ADB. So any one of the angle they have asked, so we will name only one. Second figure is something like this. let's draw the second figure. We can have an idea of the second figure here. So second figure is something like this. So let's mark the figure. Any one angle I am marking. Let's see like this. With the dotted line I am showing the rays. So let's mark it A, B and C. So how would you name this? You would start with the one end. Now I have 3 points here, A, B and C. So starting from point A, the first ray would be like this. This is ray 1 and this is ray 2. It is like this. So this is my angle. This is the angle. I can draw it separately also so that you are able to understand that which of the angle we are talking about. These are the two arms in the figure. So naming the two arms A, B and C. How to understand the vertex? You know that middle alphabet of the name should be vertex. Now what is vertex here? This is the joining or the common point is the vertex. This is common point. And these are the two ends of the rays. So what is ray 1 here? Ray 1 is AB, ray 2 is BC, and let me write over here. Ray 1 is AB, ray 2 is BC. This is not being asked. I am just explaining for you to understand. Ray 1 is AB and ray 2 is BC. Now what is common among this is B. So we know that the common point or the center point is considered as the vertex. So while naming the angle, I will put sign, then one of the end, then comes the vertex. So this is vertex, common point. Always remember this point. That common point is the vertex of the angle, and last point is C. So let's take any other angle over here. So this is first angle which I have given you. Let's take another one. This is point B, this is point C, and let us mark here point E. See here, this point I have marked as E. Now my angle, what is my angle? How will you recognize the angle? First you see the ray part. One ray is BE and second ray is EC. So ray 1 is BE and ray 2 is CE. So ray 1 is BE and ray 2 is CE. Your angle name would be, common is E me change this name here. Ray 2 is EC because my endpoint is C, so ray 2 is EC. Now the common point is E, so angle name is BEC. Let us, in the same figure, let us do another one. Let's mark here F, G. Now I am taking these 3 points G, F, C. You can take any point as vertex. Let us say that we take vertex as F. So F should come in the middle. So F, and then I have the other 2 points as G and C. So I will write GFC. Angle GFC is another angle that is forming in the figure. So like this you can write angle. Let us move to the third figure.